always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Lissette, I know we're in the rainy season, but it is feeling like full throttle summer right now.
Yeah, where's the rain? It's all about the heat and the humidity, and we could use some rain, obviously, to bring those temperatures down a little bit, but we're not going to see much in the way of wet weather for a while here, not until mid to late next week. So as we check in on the headlines, we are going to continue with the hottest days that we've had so far this year. In fact, it's going to get even hotter. And then we're going to feel like the triple digits. And then I just mentioned that dry stretch that'll last through early next week, through Monday and Tuesday. But you know what? On the bright side, at least we're enjoying tons of sunshine out there right now as we look live from our Rusty Pelican camera. And as we take a look here at the temperatures, we are certainly warming up already. Look at these numbers: 85 in Marathon and Key West, 87 in Miami, 86 in Fort Lauderdale, right now 88 in Kendall, 90 already in Pembroke Pines. And then when you factor in the humidity, it already feels like the low to mid 90s, and highs will climb to 90 this afternoon. So during the hottest time of the day, which is now moving forward the next few hours, make sure that you're staying hydrated, trying to stay in the shade and the air conditioning. If you do need to be working outside, then take breaks. Into the evening, it's still going to be warm and sticky with a low 80s. If you're planning on anything outside, dinner or walking your dog or heading out for a jog, get ready for that. It feels like temperatures actually will rise to the upper 90s. When you factor in the humidity, it could feel like 98 in Sunrise, 97 in Plantation, could even feel like 100 in Dania Beach today. And then it'll feel like 98 degrees in Miami and Hialeah, 96 in Country Walk, and the mid to upper 90s across the Keys. So certainly it's sizzling out there. And if you head to the beach, that's a great way to cool down, right? Jump in the ocean. There's only a low risk of rip currents, but the UV index is extreme. So make sure you have plenty of sunscreen. Don't forget to reapply. No alerts or advisories for my boaters over the Atlantic or for the Keys. And of course, our Marlins taking on the Tampa Bay Rays tonight. Watch it on CW Miami 33. First pitch at 7:10 p.m. at Lone Depot Park. It'll be a warm evening with a low 80s. And tomorrow I'm honored to co-host the first ever IBD family event. We invite you to join if you have a child with Crohn's or ulcerative colitis. Nicholas Children's Hospital main campus over at the Waterfall Courtyard. Should be a fun event with lots of activities, but it's going to be a hot one with highs around 90 degrees. Whatever you have planned this weekend, if it's outside, take the necessary precautions, as we'll see the low 90s through the weekend, early next week even hotter, and then we'll see a few showers next Wednesday and Thursday.